If you post a job listing before consulting an AI integrator, you are bleeding money, but you can actually recover that money. Today, I am going to open up the hood of my own company and show you the exact blueprint of a highly profitable AI-first organization. A few weeks ago, my very real, very human assistant called me in a total panic. He had one question for me. Did I just lose my job? He asked because he had just watched my new AI agent log into my Google Calendar, spot a scheduling conflict, find an open vet appointment for my dog, book it, and buy me a Delta plane ticket, all while I was fast asleep. It is easy to see an intelligent machine do that and fear you are being replaced, but that fear comes from a complete misunderstanding of how modern businesses actually scale. Most founders assume that to double their output, they need to double their headcount, stacking payroll expenses year after year. The math has changed. You no longer need a massive, bloated team to generate massive output. You need an AI fleet. Replacing repetitive tasks with AI drops labor costs to near zero, saving $231,000. To capture this, rethink your structure, dismantling the heavy pyramid of managers. Achieve leverage by shattering that hierarchy, replacing it with a flat digital architecture. This diagram shows the exact organizational chart for my marketing department. At the top, exactly 3 human faces, but everything beneath them, forming the entire engine, is artificial intelligence. Let's isolate one specific node, Franny, my AI feedback coach. Every quarter, we review hundreds of presentations from our consultants. Doing that manually used to take me 66 uninterrupted hours of my billable time. Now, Franny processes every single one of those presentations. She works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and does it for pennies. When you hand a high-friction, repetitive task to a specialized system, a massive time drain becomes a high-speed asset. Beyond simple data processing, these digital nodes now handle high-level creative execution. Meet Cody, our copywriter. I instruct Cody to write sales copy in the style of Alex Hormozy. Then I set up a second AI agent programmed with the mindset of Myron Golden, and I let the 2 distinct AI entities debate each other until the copy is completely flawless. Hiring the real versions of those industry titans to argue over my sales pages is unaffordable, but renting their synthesized expertise costs exactly $20 a month through my standard ChatGPT subscription. Once the creative work is done, we distribute it. This is where we use Angelina. I only speak one language, but Angelina is programmed to teach my live classes in over 30 languages simultaneously, all with perfect inflection and tone. This strategy clones a founder's expertise, allowing one person to operate in 30 markets simultaneously. It generates global omnipresence without the friction of a human workforce. This graph illustrates the projected trajectory for AI adoption. 94% of businesses are planning full integration by 2026. If your first instinct to a growth ceiling is hiring more people, you are playing a losing game. Those slow companies will be wiped out. Which brings us back to my assistant and his panic over the automated calendar booking. He did not lose his job that day. We elevated him. Instead of grinding through scheduling conflicts and busy work, he now manages the AI agents doing those tasks, freeing him to focus purely on high-value, revenue-generating strategy. Scaling your operation no longer means working harder or managing huge crowds of people. It means building your own digital board of advisors. If you want to survive the next 5